Hey everyone, so I've got another little manifesting success story that I wanted to tell you all about, and this one is about manifesting a keyboard of all things, which is really cool. So in my 20s I used to be a VCAL teacher, teaching year 8 to 10s, and I was teaching personal development at the time, which was really cool. And what I did with them is I actually got them to make vision boards of the things that they wanted to create, right, which was really awesome. And one of my students, they put on their vision board a keyboard, which was really cool. And anyway, so we did these vision boards one day and he put his keyboard on, and then a couple of weeks later in class, this particular student shared with me, guess what? I'm like, what? They go, I manifested my keyboard. I'm like, oh my God, the keyboard on the vision board. This is so cool. So how did it happen? And so they said, well, what happened is their mum was out the front talking to the neighbour, talking away, and then they came out the front just, to see what their mum was doing. And then the neighbour said to them, hey, you wouldn't want a keyboard by any chance, would you? I've got a brand new one in the shed that I'm not using and I'm planning to just get rid of it. Do you want it? And I was like, what? That is so random. And so there you go. He manifested the keyboard, which was so cool. And, that's what I'm talking about. Like, you have the power to manifest the things that you want. Like, do any of you have vision boards? Let me know below. Vision boards are really cool to actually help you, to put up and get clear about what you want, and then show the universe and yourself that that's what you want to create and that's what you want to manifest. And so he did it very quickly, just a couple of weeks, put it up, didn't even think about it, bang, manifestation. How cool is that? So that's a little success story for you. Hope you enjoyed it. See you all soon. Bye.